Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open the GPS Photo Stamp app and grant location and camera permissions now. Next, allow high-accuracy GPS and device location settings for best coordinates. Choose timestamp format YIMMDDHH, mm, and coordinate precision to 3 decimals. Set text color and background opacity so the stamp stays legible on every photo. Set text size to readable on your device screen before capturing photos. Confirm storage permission so stamped photos save to your camera roll automatically. Wait until GPS shows a 3D fix or at least 5 satellites for accuracy. Position your phone so the subject is centered and lighting is balanced. Frame your subject, then tap the shutter to embed timestamp and coordinates instantly. Avoid rapid movement and hold steady for 3 seconds before capture to reduce GPS drift. Review the preview to confirm the stamp shows correct time and location. If needed, retake the photo with adjusted text position or size for clarity. Use the app editor to crop, rotate, or move the stamp before exporting. Adjust timestamp font and position so it avoids important image details or faces. Export stamped photos as JPEG at 90% quality and save a backup copy to cloud storage. For batch processing, select multiple images and apply the same stamp template automatically. If coordinates are missing, toggle location services or reboot the phone to re-establish GPS. Contact app support if hardware location access remains blocked after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.